welcome back. Talk Brothers Garage, new episode. Grab a snack, enjoy the show. If you saw latest episode, that we know the engine is out of the car, almost disassembled. So now I will go back to garage, disassemble it and deliver to ES Engines. So let's start with this one, and then we need to assemble it back again together. Also, I need to wait those gaskets when they arrive from the United States. So I hope they arrive really quick because it's holidays coming up, so it means that shipping will be slow. And I hope I will get the gaskets and all other parts in time to finish the engine, and of course put it back as soon as possible, and to know will the car start. I almost forgot about the decals for the brake calipers, so let's try them on, and I hope they will survive first heat. But I also made these ones, which are stencils. So then I apply them on a caliper and maybe spray with the spray can, and let's try them on. Definitely, I think that these stickers will not gonna survive a racetrack, but still, let's give them a shot. And as you maybe know, if you wanna spray it, I need to kind of scratch the surface to be sure that the paint sticks well. So I will try it this way first, and then I think I will go the stencil wise and then spray the Porsche letters. Now I'm on my way to ES Engines. Yesterday I dropped the block. Edgar told me if you will come and disassemble the block, I will be able to reassemble it in the same day. And I hope that today we will reassemble it back, or tomorrow, or another day. But the best thing is that I will get a block soon. Unfortunately, the gaskets are still in USA, but I hope that soon they will be shipped out. As soon as gaskets are delivered, we can bolt the block, the engine all together and put it back in the car, and hope that we will start the engine finally. But now let's flip it to ES Engines. All right, I'm here. Here's the block. Let's begin assembling. See, they look a bit scratched. All rings are stuck, they are not moving. So we hope that after ultrasound everything will clean up and they will move. Otherwise, if they still stay in a piston, we will change them. Overall, everything looks fine. Nothing really bad happened. We hope that this fourth piston, which was damaged the most, will be good after the ultrasound. So let's put them to wash and see the result. Alright folks, it's another day here at ES Engines. The block is assembled. The block is actually washing. I already have the rings, the piston rings, also from Vossler. Let's jump on the topic about the pistons. So the fourth pistons where the extinguished powder went mostly in, so it looks like this. I don't think so that this is because of this powder. I think something went wrong and this happened. Yeah, so these tops looks almost good. There is some scratches of all other pistons also looks good. Some scratches due to of this powder, but they are really tiny. And this surface, this layer comes off also when I scratch with a nail, so I think this is not a big deal. Also I see all the marks from the CNC machining. I think this is not a big deal for it. As guys measured, everything is in the correct dimensions, so we can install them. I also will talk with Edgar regarding this issue. I hope he will say something to me to understand what's happened. Let's wait while the block will be cleaned up and we are ready to assemble the engine again. Fingers crossed. Alright folks, first of all, press the like button, then press the subscribe and ring the bell. But now I'm back in the garage and it means it's time to work on engine build, because the engine is the only part which I missed in the car. I will start to clean up the parts from the extinguisher powder, because some of them still covered in this white powder. I need to clean it up. I think I will start with the oil pan to start engine build. Then I need to clean the other parts. I already received a parcel from United States with engine gaskets, both sets. I'm all set with the gaskets. Another thing that I decided to exchange old bolts to the new bolts. I am waiting those bolts to arrive, but I think I will receive them after the Christmas holiday, so we will need to wait on those. Let's begin the works. I'm going back to this ES engines, and I decided to pack all the parts which I need to wash and go there and wash them all at once. So this will be a bit faster, because also I ran out of brake cleaner, and I decided to use gasoline, and all garage smells, so I decided to just pack and go to clean all the parts. So let's spin to ES engines. I'm back again in the garage. Engine block is already on the table. I'm already working on a balance shaft, so I will start with the top one and then move to the bottom one. Maybe I also install the oil pump today, but we'll see. So let's deep dive in the engine assembly. Alright, so I'm almost ready to install the valve cover. A few things which you should know, and don't be confused about them. So first is that the gaskets comes with these holes. They are just, I think, maybe manufacturing holes or whatever. So here you can see them closer. Yeah, don't be confused, nothing happens through those holes, so put the gasket on, everything is all right. Another thing is this hole, this oiling port. This thing is for oiling the valve cover. In turbo engines there is a nozzle, so if you don't have a turbo you will have like this, and there is a nozzle in a turbo engine, so be sure that you have this in a turbo engine. Alright, so engine is almost completed. Few things should be done on the front. I also need to change 2 bolts here and here, so then the plastic will go on and then belts. So here also I almost completed everything, and now actually I have this tool. This is a roller to roll such a end of the pipe. Unfortunately this doesn't fit, but I think I will figure this out. Timing belt is installed. I checked also does the pistons not touching the valves. Now I think I will need to go and check on the web how I need to install the balance and which position they should stay before I put the belt, because as you see here is a 0 and the mark. So yeah, also I installed this pipe which I was working before I started working with the timing, and I think this flange is much better than it was before. This is it for today. I will get back on the engine as soon as possible. I need to find those parts, so it means don't forget to subscribe to be sure that you will not gonna miss next episode. Of course, give a thumbs up for me. I appreciate everyone who giving them. See you in next episode.